Hello, how are you, dear student? I hope you are well and follow the rule of lockdown. Actually, in last video, I discussed about the pattern of ICSE Maths question paper. In that question paper, I told you that there will be two sections of math question paper from first section you have to solve 40 marks question, and from second section also 40 marks question. But in second part there will be 7 question, and out of 7 you have to solve the 4 question. Here in this video I will tell you about the second chapter, that is called the banking. Okay, and in examination in first section it will be asked either in 3 marks or in 4 marks question. Therefore, since this part means banking related to the first section of the question paper, therefore it is very important. Now, before starting the topic, we should understand from where the concept of banking came. Dear student, in ancient days, the person who are capable and able to defend themselves, they used to keep the saving of the common people, and for this they charged some money. But after some time it was realized that the deposited money could be used to lend to the needy person. For this, the money lender started paying some nominal rate of interest to the depositors and very high rate of interest from the borrowers. And in this way, they made huge profit by utilizing the money of the common people. And thus, the concept of bank came into existence. So, on the basis of this, we can define a bank. We can define a bank like this way. A bank is an institution which mainly carries on the business of deposits and lending money. It means, what is bank? A bank is an institution, what it do? Which mainly carries on the business of getting deposits and lending money. Okay. Now the question is, what is the work of banking? How they function? Means, what is the function of the bank? The function of the banking is getting deposits, lending money, sales tax, so many salaries, and other things are doing in the bank. Means there are so many works nowadays performed by the bank. In this concept, we should understand what is the types of banking. Types of accounts. How many types of account? The first is saving bank account, and the next is current bank account. In saving bank account, the bank pay interest to the investors. It will be it is near about 3 to 6%. Okay, and it is a current bank account. This is related to business class. The third one is fixed deposit account. What is this? Fixed deposit account. Here, the fixed deposit account, the investors deposit their money in the bank for a certain time. Okay, for a certain time, and after that time, they get the money with interest. And the next one is recurring deposit account. This is the matter of our syllabus. Recurring deposit account, which is also known as cumulative deposit account. This is also called cumulative deposit account. Now we should discuss some terms which is related to the banking process. Means explanation of the terms related to the banking process. The first one is maturity period. What is maturity period? So we can define the maturity period like this way. An investor deposits a fixed amount every month for a specific number of months. Here this is the basic thing. A specific number of months, and this period is called the maturity period. This period is called the maturity period. Okay? It means you understand what is the maturity period? The time whatever investors for which the time for which the depositors deposit money in the bank, that time is called the maturity period. Now what is the maturity value? Maturity value is the amount received by the investors on the expiry of the specific period. Means whatever amount investors get from the bank after expiry of the specific period, that is called the maturity value. Okay, it means now I think it's clear something. What is the banking? Okay, what is the introduction? Why it by which process it come in this form, in the modern form? In means definition of the bank, how they are function, types of bank account, types of bank account, and what is maturity period, maturity value. Okay.